Great day, scholars. Here's some more review for the work that we've been doing thus far this second semester. Nevaeh has 160 hair bows. She put 6 into each bag. How many bags will she need for her hair bows? Okay, so let's think about it first. They gave us the total. We know the total amount of hair bows, so that's automatic indication that we're doing what? We're dividing because it gave us the total. There is 160 hair bows. So I know I'm going to be dividing. I'm going to go ahead and do my area box. I'm going to put my 1, my 6 in the middle, and my 0 near the end, leaving intentional space. Okay? She puts into 6 into each bag. So we know it's 6 in each bag. We just got to figure out how many bags we're going to need. Okay? So we have 160 hair bows. We have 6 in each bag. We need to know how many bags we're going to use. Okay? Now we're going to go over here and we're going to do our multiples of 6 because we're dividing by 6. So we're going to do 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60, 66, 72. So we did our multiples of 6. So now we come right here. We cannot pass 1. Is that possible? No, because it starts at 6, right? So we have to put an automatic 0. And this 1 wasn't enough. So now it's going to team up with the 6. And now our number is 16. Now, use your multiples. You cannot pass 16. Where are we going to stop? 12 is the closest we can get without going over 16. How many did we go down on the multiples? 2. Is 16 and 12 the same number? No, so we must subtract. We're going to put 12 in our head. We're going to count up to 16. So 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. That gave me 4. So this 4 here is now going to move over to this 0, and now it is 40. Now we cannot pass 40 on our multiples. The closest we can get is 36. How many did we go down on the multiples? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is 40 and 36 the same number? It is not, so we must do what? Subtract. Put 36 in our head and count up to 40. 37, 38, 39, 40. That gave me 4. So now I'm going to check it, because division is something you can check, and you know if your division work is correct before you turn it in. So we always put the little word check. And then we're going to take our quotient, which is our answer. We're going to take 26, and we're going to multiply it times our divisor. So we know 6 times 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 36. So I put my 6 here and my plus 3 over the 2. Now what is 2 times 6? 1, 2, that gives me 12 plus 3. 12, 13, 14, 15. That gives me 156. Plus, I must add my remainder. 6 plus 4 is 10. 5 plus 1 is 6. And bring down the 1, 160. And that's the number of hair bows we started with. That's how you know your number's right, when you get the number in the area box, or the dividend is what it's called. Okay? So let's do another example for tonight's homework that will be very helpful. Kaden has displayed 4 factors of 18. Which is correct? Okay, so let me adjust this so we can see all the choices. So we're talking about factors, so we know we're doing the T-chart. So I'm going to put 18 here. I need to see what are the factors, and we find the factors by doing a T-chart. If the number is more than 9, we stop at 9 anyway. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So if our number was 100, we're still going to stop at 9. If our number is 1,000, we're still going to stop at 9. If our number is 10, we're still going to stop at 9. Okay? So 1 times what gives us 18? 18. 2 times what gives us 18? 9. Let's prove it. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. That's 9 times. Good. What about 3? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. So that's 6 times. That's why it's so important we know our multiplication, our multiples, okay? What about 4? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Did I ever say 18? No, so it is not, 4 is not a factor of 18. What about 5? 5, 10, 15, 20. Did we see 18? No, we did not, so 5 is not a factor. What about 6? 6, 12, 18. Or you can look here because 3 times 6 and 6 times 3 is the reciprocal or the opposite of. Okay, what about 7? 7, 14, 21. We didn't say 18. 8, 16, 24. We didn't say 18. 9, 18. 2 times. So all of these that are not marked out are factors. So 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18 are factors of 18. Okay, so let's come over here and it says which one displays 4 factors of 18. Okay, none of this is on here but 18. These are actually the multiples A was, so that's not it. What about B? 1. Okay, I have 1, 2, 3, 6. Yes, I got it. Okay, let me show you why it's not C and D. 0 is not a factor. 1, 2, 3 is 4. No. Our answer is B. Because we have 1, 2, 3, and also 6. Okay. Now I want to practice a 2 by 2 with you. Multiplication. And some seem to be doing excellent with that and some struggling a little bit. So I want to continue to keep coming back to it. So let's do 36 times 72. And I'm going to go ahead and do my area model. It's my window, a 2 by 2. 36, 72. That's how I look at it. A 2 by 2. So we're doing our window. Now I tell the scholars, you're going to do the multiples of 3 and 6 or the multiples of 2 and 7. Which do you know better? Whichever one they know better. It has to be 3 and 6 or 7 and 2. So I'm just going to do 7 and 2. So I'm going to do 2. And I'm going to stop at 24 because that's 2 times 12. Actually, I got this a little too close to there. Okay, now I'm going to do my 7s. Okay, now I have my multiples of 7. Now, the first number here I always put on the side. And I'm doing the expanded form of 36, and that's 30 plus 6. 30 plus 6. Now I'm going to do the expanded form of 72, and that's 70 plus 2. If the top is 70 plus 2, the bottom is equivalent or congruent. It is also 70 plus 2. Okay? Now we're going to do 3 times 7. I'm going to go to 7 and go down 3. 1, 2, 3. That gave me 21. So I'm going to put 21. How many zeros do I have? 2. 1, 2. Dropping right in the box. Now I have 2 times 3. Go down 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's 6. How many zeros do I have? 1. That one beside that 3, right? Now I come here. What's 6 times 2? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That gives me 12. Do I have any zeros? Absolutely not. Look in here. 6 times 7. Let me go down 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That gives me 42. How many zeros? 1. Now I'm ready to add because all of my boxes are filled. So I'm going to do is 4 numbers in this line, in this number. So I'm going to do 3 lines to keep my place value separated and have it nice and neat. So I have 2,100. The next highest number is 420. My next highest number is 60. My next highest number is 12, and we're going to add that. 2, 9, 5, 2. So we have 2,592. is our answer. And this is how you would solve it.